If you would like to subscribe to channels on YouTube, then make sure to watch this video all the way to the end as I show you how to subscribe on YouTube. Hi there, David Walsh here once again from davidwalshonline.com. If this is your first time here, make sure to hit the subscribe button once you know how to at the end of this video, and also hit the notification bell to be notified every time we upload videos every Tuesday. So you would like to subscribe to channels on YouTube, where we're going to head on over to the trusty computer as I show you how. Okay, so you're on your favorite YouTube channel and you see the subscribe button, but you can't subscribe. So it says you need to sign in. Now, if you're already signed in and you haven't clicked this button to subscribe, all you need to do is click that and it will subscribe you. And then you're subscribed. Now, if you are getting this pop up here, then you need to sign in. So if you do have a Google or a Gmail account or anything like that, pop in your email and then your password and you will get logged in. Then you go back to the channel, click on the subscribe button, and then you'll be subscribed. Now, if you don't have a Google or a Gmail account, you can set one up. So this is what I'm going to do here to help you set up your Google account so that you can subscribe to YouTube channels. So if you have an existing email address that you want to use, you can pop that in here. I'm going to select create account. Then I'm going to pick an email address that I want to use. So if you have an existing email address, pop it in here. I'm going to create a brand new one from scratch. So I'm going to see if this is available. Looks like it is. So I'm just going to pop in a password, then click on next. So it says this is already taken. There you go, that one worked. So now it asks me for a number to verify my account. So I'm going to pop that in here and then click on next. So I popped in my number, click on next. Then it will send you a text message to your phone. Pop in the 6-digit code and click on verify. You also have the option to pop in a recovery email address, which is handy if you forget your password or anything like that. For security reasons, it asks you for a date of birth and also your gender as well. So I'm going to fill this out and click on next. On the next page, it asks me if I want to use my mobile number for my account. I'm just going to click on skip. You can click on yes. Then you have to agree to their terms and conditions. Confirm. And once that's done, we can click on the subscribe button there. We'll see the subscribed. And we'll click on the notification bell to get all notifications. And that's how you subscribe on YouTube. So which channels are you going to subscribe to? Let me know in the comments area below. Hint, this is one of them. Again, if this is your first time here, now that you know how to, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell to be notified every time we upload videos on Tuesdays. Also, make sure to hit one of these fine specimens of videos to help you with more YouTube tips.